This is Professor D.S. Lal from Civil Engineering Department, Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, Pune. The device you can see behind me is the programmable aerial vehicle. It is a drone simply attached with a box filled with a paint and a nozzle fitted in the bottom. Now here the input from the AutoCAD file is given to this PAV, converting it into signal, and that will disperse the paint on the ground to mark the coordinate of the layout. It will reduce the human effort as well as the error as compared to the traditional layout marking process. This will definitely save the money also. Thank you.
Hello all, myself Akshay Pudke from SYME Construction Management student have worked on programmable aerial vehicle for layout coordinate marking in construction industry. The main objective of this research is to use of programmable aerial vehicle in layout marking process to maintain accuracy and quality of work. Also must be cost effective. By taking into account the incorrect practices of conventional method with peg and thread, it will be advisable to utilize programmable aerial vehicle instrument to assess demarcation on ground and structural column layout coordinate marking. This PAV has the accuracy of plus and minus 20 mm below 2 meter height. The vehicle has control with a radio signals having operating range of 1 kilometer. The battery used here is of 5200 mAh and gives 15-minute flight time. This vehicle has speed of 0.5 meter per second. Here is the list of components used to develop a PAV. First one, brushless motor of 1800 kV, ESCs of 40 ampere, 1045 propellers, a flight control board and GPS, 6-channel transmitter and receiver, 650 carbon fiber frame, 5200 mAh battery, SG servo motor, R385 pump, 1 liter water tank, and etc. This is the assembled mechanism of PAV and ready to use. Just before that, we have to add a prefix flight control path in flight control board using ground control software readily available on Google. By adding waypoints on map and run into the FCB, now this vehicle is ready to demarcate the coordinates on ground. For the experimentation, we have marked the 2 square plot and got the accuracy of 98.81% with a minimum time period. This PAV will be the permanent solution for layout marking process, which will also must be cost effective. This research is funded by 2 funding agencies. One is our own college, PCCOE, and another is the La Dassault Foundation. Thank you.